Are you getting communication error in your PC? If yes, then watch this video till the end, because I was also getting this error message. So what I did it, I simply got the recovery file. In Windows Search you can simply type recovery. So after that you can open this recovery option, and from here I fixed this issue. So you can open the system restore point, and you can go back to the previous state, and you can simply click on next, and this is my previous date, and I selected this. I just did it. Click on next and click on finish. So it resolved my issue after clicking on finish, and I need to restart this PC. And you need to go to the simple step. This is a very simple step, and you can create you can get back to your previous restore point when it was working fine and you are not getting this error message. I just did it, and it resolved the issue for me. So you can, and it will restart your PC after doing that, and it will fix this issue, because it fixed the issue for me as well. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.